relatively easy job. No tools required. Just locate the housing and you'll see 3 clips, 2 on the front and 1 on the right hand side. Unclip those and then you'll actually be able to just pull up on the housing and you'll be able to reveal the engine air filter. Once you pull it out, you'll notice how dirty they actually get, especially on the bottom side. Now, let's get a new one in there. And the new one will slide right back into place. Really easy, just make sure it's all the way down. Now, when you put the housing back on, make sure the seals go all the way so that you can easily clip the 3 clips back into place. And that's it. Once you get all 3 clips back into place, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.